Greetings and welcome back to another video by Camera Wargaming. Today I show you how to paint in Grimdark mold the Ratling Warpblaster from the Skaven box set. In this video I only showed you how to paint the Ratling Warpblaster and not the Skaven, because I wanted to show you just some paint technique. Previously I apply a black primer and a white primer in Zenital mode, and when it's dry I use a baking soda with a super glue to simulate the rust effect. It's very important, don't forget to leave dry, because baking soda and super glue will be damage the brush. For the woods part I use hardened leather by the Army Painter. And after I highlight in this second part of this video I use 8 types of color. First of all I use a dark brass color. I highlight some part with a lighter brass color. I use a silver color only on the edge. For the corded part I use a rust color by Vallejo. And after a blending all with Corrosion Galvanica by Vallejo. After I gently the brush with a silver color, only on the edge. I use this orange color to give more effect for the rust. For the copper metal I apply verdigris for widening effect. I randomly applied rust streaks from AK. I use a black oil wash to give a machinery dirty effect, only the internal part. I remove with a Q-tip the extra color, only in the rises area. With a silver color I highlight only on the edge, in the metal part. I mix a black color and brown color to create a wash and apply in random part. For the tubes I use yellow and black bases. After I highlight because the weirdstone drains for the tubes. I use the green wash and apply only on the recesses. So, this is the end of this video. I hope that you like. Please like, comment and share with your friends this cool video. And thank you for watching. See you soon for our next video. Bye.